Panero here. Launches long three. Bam! Long three from deep. Ang bola. Matias, corner pass. Picks. Pass back, Matias. Launch on three. Bang! Bullseye! Hello mga idol. Nandito tayo ngayon sa palarong pambansa Do or Die semifinals para sa laban ng NCR at Region 4A Calabarzon. And jump ball here. First ball possession. Calabarzon. Launches on three. No good. Rebound here. Kaldag spins. Reverse layup. Naipit. And it's from the mid-range. Ang gandang pasa nung pinabitin. Basket and one. First blood. Number 88 holds the ball. Pass to number 8 to the middle. Number 31. Crossover, pass to the middle, pull up J, free throw area, bucket for two. Number 18 here, number 13. And attacks from the middle, pass inside, fires off the glass, the connection. And here's Matias, corner pass, pass back Matias. Matias, crossover, drives, floater shot off the glass and knocks it down. And here's Calabarzon. Pass it to number 10. He stops. Pass on the inside. Nagkatapikan. Ball is stolen. Number 88 here. Pass corner. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. Perimeter shot. Number 31. To number 28. Number 88. Holds the ball. Pass to number 28. Pass inside. Natapikan. Number 31 drives. Lays hop high. No good. Number 12, pass to number 13. Number 13 drives to the middle. He stops, pull up J, bucket is good. Matias, bounce pass to number 88. Number 88 holds the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8 attacks. Number 31, launch on 3. Matias, in and out. Follow-up shot. Number 8. Number 13 holds the ball. Shout out running down to 7. Down to 5, pass on the inside, fires to Palpal mula sa likod. Number 8 saves the ball. Number 88 here, 3 on 1. Bounce pass, number 31, floater. No good. And it's number 13. Dribbling the ball, crossover move. Fires, bucket. And bounce pass. Number 8. Number 88 to number 8. To number 2, Matias. Matias crossover, pull up jumper, bucket is good. Number 13 to number 22, pass to the middle. Nauna na, bounce pass. Naagaw ni Matias ang bola. Matias, corner pass, picks. Pass back, Matias, launch on 3. Bang! Bullseye! Matias. Number 6. And pass to number 22. Pull up jumper at the mid-range. Off target. And here comes NCR. Pass on the lays up. The connection. 17-9 score. Ginulo ng dalawa. Naagawan. 3 on 1 ang laban. 3 on 2. No look pass there. To the middle floater. No good. Recover number 9. Setting the play to number 6. Shot clock running down to 10. 4-3. Bang! Bullseye! Here's number 6. Number 22. Best. Oh, plays up! What a hook play up! Number 77 crosses the mid lane. Pass to the middle. Cross pass to number 88. Attacks. Kicks out, fires on 3, bang! 3 ball! And here's Team Calabarzon, number 13, holding the ball. Number 13, fakes, kicks out. Number 10, Julian for 3. And pass break. Eksakto yung pasa, pumasok. And here's number 88, nagmamadali, corner pass, fires on 3. Short rebound, number 8, hook shot, yes sir. Number 13 for Calabarzon. Dribbling, spins, attacks. Nakawala. Sumaitser. Plays up. Yes, sir. And number 22 for Team Calabarzon. Pass to the middle. Number 13. Drives. Lays. Too strong. And you go nagmamadali. Side step. Kinaliwa. Left-handed lays. Yes, sir. Matias. Number 6. Di Discarte. Number 22. 4-3. Bang! Bullseye! Pass to number 38. Pull up J at the middle. Bucket for 2. And bounce pass. Number 8 kicks to number 2. Number 2. Pass inside. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. Number 6. Pass to the middle. 4 pull-up jumper. Bucket is good. Free-throw area. Number 6 here. Drives. Floater shot. No good. And here you go, Matias. Pass to the corner. Lays up. Lumilipad. And number 6. Pass it there. To number 6, pass back, dribbling the ball, pass to the middle, number 13 for Team Calabarzon. Di Discarte, umatras. Spins, nice screenan, pull up jumper at 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 77, setting the play, pass to the corner. Holding the ball. Bounce pass, number 28. Cross pass. And stolen. Number 13. Pass here. Pinasa pa extra pass. Julio. And pass it there to number 31. No look pass, number 6. To the middle. Kaldag fakes. Clutch. Fires off the glass. Rebound here. Still number 77, NCR. Umatras. Atake. Corner 3. Bang! 3 point. And here you go, Team Calabarzon. Biglang tumira sa stress. Bang! 3 point. Here. Number 22 for Team Calabarzon. Pass to the middle. Number 13. Drag. Spin move. Kicks out. Julio. Oh! Bagsak. Grabe, sinuntok ni Pacquiao yun ah. And here you go, going down number 22, 13. And Calabarzon setting the play. He stops, pass to the middle. Drives. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. And here's Team Calabarzon, number 13. Pass inside. Pass to the middle. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 2, Matias. Matias. Spin move. Pass inside. Fires off the glass. 1 goal. Follow-up shot. Number 28. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Drives. Bumanga. Fires. Rebound. Hook shot. Follow-up shot. Number 22. For the inbound, number 6. To number 2, Matias. Matias. To number 31, drives, lays up, no good, rebound here. Number 13, Panero. Panero here. Panero drives, pass inside, na libre of the glass, foul to 10. Number 2, Matias, pass on the middle, corner 3, off target, rebound here, pass, reverse line, bucket is good. Number 13, Panero. Number 6, Panero. Number 22, long 3. Bang! 3 points! Down to 10 ang kalamangan, mga idol. Pass to number 6. Number 2. Number 9. Drives. Pass to the corner. Attacks. Number 9. Pass inside, played away. In and out, and a bucket. For the inbound. Fires to bucket is good. Matias crosses the mid lane, back to 10. 3 minutes remaining for the third quarter. Number 9 holds the ball. Dribble the ball, spins. Cross pass, corner, Matias. Pass to the middle, pull up jumper, Supalpal ang inabot. Matias crosses the mid lane. Matias to number 88, to the middle. Cross pass, pass for 3. Bang! 3 point! 10 seconds. Number 22, Matias. And ang lagas ng tambol sa taas. 2 seconds, pass inside. Supalpal. End of the third quarter. For the inbound here. Pass outside. Crossover. Number 13 bounce pass. Wild open for 3. Bang! Down to 10. Matias crosses the mid lane. Matias. Pass to number 31. Launches on 3. Bang! The answer. Panero. Pass to number 10. Julio. Pass to Panero. Corner pass. Number 22 spins. Fires off the glass. Offensive foul. Number 22 for NCR. Number 88. Number 8. Pass to number 3. 31. Pass inside. Raise up. Basket and 1. Here's Team Calabarzon. Floater shot at the middle. No good. And here you go. Number 6. Pass to the middle. Naagawan. Tinig ng Matias. Bumangga off the glass. Bucket is good. Number 6. Dribbling the ball. Creating some space. Gustong lumusot. Pass to the corner. Naagawan. Pass there. Number 6. Les. Bucket is good. Panero creating some space. Stops. Looking for receiver. Middle pass. Spins. Panero here. Launches long 3. Bam! Long 3 from negative 2 sana yun. Pass there. Binit-bit. Lays. Basket. It's too good. And here's Panero. Panero cross. Sumisigsag. Pass to the middle. Julio wide open for 3. Bang! Down to 8. And here's number 8. Pass to number 8. Number 9. Pass inside. Stolen. Panero pass break. A chance to... It kicks out. Julio for 3. Bang! Down. Over. 5 seconds. Pass inside. Fires Supalpal. Fires. For the inbound here. Panero. Looking for the receiver. Number 13. Forza 3. Congratulations, NCR. And that's the end of the game.